Hey guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with another wig install. Let me show you guys just the little packaging because this is so cute. This is the name of the hair company from today's video. Everything's going to be linked below in case you guys are interested. This is 4C edges, but I kind of just slicked the edges back because I wasn't going for like any type of baby hairs. But I love just the versatility that this hairstyle has to offer. You can straighten it, you can crimp it. I love the fact that I have my widow's peak. I've never been able to like successfully look like I had a widow's peak in any wig, and I'm here for it. So hope you guys enjoy. This is gonna be a super easy, very beginner friendly wig install. These curls are magical, they're doing it for me. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
Hi guys, welcome you could come say hi. Come on. Hi guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with special guest
Zoe.
Today I'm going to be installing this wig. I just want to show you guys briefly how it came packaged. It's from dyhair 777. I'm going to have everything linked below in case you guys are interested. They gave it to me in a really beautiful package. A package that you can definitely restore your hair. It's beautiful. It has curly edges, but I kind of brushed them back so we can do the install together. And I also bleached the knots. So this is what it's looking like. The inside cap construction, this is what it looks like. You got nice frontal spacing. It looks really good. So what I'm gonna do right now is just cut off this little back flap and then we're gonna put it on together. Okay, so we kind of just need to brush our hair back. Perfect. Now we're gonna try on the wig. So straight out of the package, this is what it's looking like. It's giving really nice, very big head friendly. I wasn't expecting that. Normally I don't blow dry, but we blow drying today, y'all. That's on there. I don't know why I've been so lazy in the past and not used a blow dryer. This lace is very melty, as you guys can see. I just used the even spray. It looks really good. The placement of the lace looks really good. I probably could have brought it down a little more on my face, but we're not gonna, that's neither here nor there. This is really nice. I'm actually really loving this. Okay, so before I put on my elastic band, I'm going to cut the lace. So we're gonna take it and go down. Do you see? We're gonna go down. Okay, so after cutting all the lace off, you guys can see, some of the glue, but we're gonna fix that. Okay, so now we're just gonna go in. We gotta move fast too. And kind of just spot touch up. You gotta move fast because so we don't want it to lift up. I do find that it is easier to reinstall like an already cut wig. So I think the next tutorial you guys see from me, I'm going to pre-cut the lace before gluing it down. I don't know, it's just really easier that way. The longer you have this on, kind of the better. So it's been no real time, but we're gonna take it off. It looks really nice. Like I said, this lace is very melty and this wig does have curly edges. So I decided I actually don't want baby hairs, but I am going to just run my fingers through these curls. I did put some product in it. In case you guys are wondering, it's gotten the chance to air dry for like 3 whole days. So the curls are giving luscious. These curls are really gorgeous, juicy, definitely not anything kinky. Look at that widows. Oh, this is nice. It's giving like it looks like my hair. You can't tell me it's not my hair. That's what it's giving. So this is how we're gonna stop. They do have 4C edges on this wig, so do keep that in mind. I prefer all of my curly wigs to have 4C edges from here on out. Like, there is not a ever need for me not to need 4C edges. I'm gonna tell you guys why. When it comes to glueless installs, like when I say glueless as in no glue, today I have glue in my hair. Like I have, no matter what anybody says, if you're spraying down any type of hold, that's like glue. It can damage your hair if you don't know how to take it out. However, with these 4C edges, like now that I've cut it off, I really only glued it down for you, because on an everyday basis, when I'm just throwing on wigs and going, I don't glue them down. 4C edges, it just makes it so easy to not be able to detect the hairline, and for the majority of the time people aren't going to question, because you can't really see grids due to the fact that you can't see the lace. This lace is super transparent, so it's just the best of both worlds. I love the length because I have a bunch of kinky curly super long wigs, but when it comes to the length of this hair, if I stretched it, it would definitely give good 16 vibes, but it's giving a very realistic and natural length. I love how lightweight it is on my head. I don't know what it is, but I'm very finicky when it comes to stuff around my neck. So I just love how everyday comfortable, it's big head friendly, it's small head friendly. So if you have a super small head, just know that you can customize wigs, but if you have a big head, it's hard to make like smaller wigs fit. Big head friendly or average head size friendly. I'm digging it. Like, I didn't think I was gonna dig it as much as I do, but I dig it. And then you have parting space all over, but this is how we're gonna wear it. I feel like it looks super natural. Y'all, it's gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.